Namaste children. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home. Yes, now everybody are having your EVS little thinker along with you. Yes, your pencil, eraser and sharpener. So we can start our class. Yes, be ready. Okay. Now in last class we saw about the main parts of our body and the joints of our body. Shall we recall it? Yes, good. Now see, this is joints of our body. Joints of our body. Okay, now see the spellings. S H O U L D E R, shoulder. S H O U L D E R, shoulder. Good. Second one is knuckle. K N U C K L E, knuckle. K N U C K L E, knuckle. Third one is K N E E, knee. K N E E, knee. Next fourth one is W R I S T, wrist. W R I S T, wrist. Fifth one is elbow. E L B O W, elbow. E L B O W, elbow. Next is A N K L E, ankle. A N K L E, ankle. Once again we can see shoulder, knuckle, knee, wrist, elbow, ankle. Super. Totally we have 6 joints in our body. Once again we can sing our joints rhymes. Yes. Bend your knees and jump like a frog. Bend your knees and jump like a frog. Lock your ankle and kick the ball far. Lock your ankle and kick the ball far. Knock, knock, knock. Knock with your knuckle. Knock, knock, knock. Knock with your knuckle. Lift your shoulder and swing the bat. Lift your shoulder and swing the bat. Fold your elbow and see your muscles rise. Fold your elbow and see your muscles rise. Shake your wrist as you stir the milk. Shake your wrist as you stir the milk. Our strong joints help us jump, skip and roll. Super. Now here they have given you to label the joints of the body. Okay. Now see, this is shoulder, knuckle, knee, ankle, elbow, wrist. Super. Have you all marked it? Yes, I'll give you some time for you to mark it. Yes, you can take some time. Now write shoulder, knuckle, knee, ankle, elbow, wrist. Super. Have you all written? Yes, you can take time also. The help of your parents, you can write it. Okay, children, shall we go to the next one? Yes. Now see here the exercise 1.7 in page number 7. Exercise 1.7 in page number 7. See, this is use the words in the box to fill in the blanks. See, they have given you some words here. See here 4 words they have given you. With the help of these words you can fill in these blanks. Okay. Okay. Now what is this? Can anyone guess what is this paper? Yes, this is called as sandpaper. Okay. See. Okay. If you touch this paper, how it will be? It will be very rough. Okay, children. Yes. Now see, this is sandpaper is rough. Now where is the spelling rough? Rough. Yes, good. Super. Now the spelling is rough is R-O-U-G-H. Rough. You have to take this answer and write here. Everybody should write neatly and correctly. Okay, children? Don't overwrite and scribble. Write R-O-U-G-H. Sandpaper is rough. Good. Very good. Now see, this is... Yeah, what is this? This is the white paper. Now you are also having the paper, no? See, your textbooks having many papers. Yes, you touch that paper and see how it will be. Very smooth. Yes, yes, very good. Now see here, where is the spelling smooth? Good. It starts with the letter yes. Yes. M O O T H. Very good. Smooth. What is this? Smooth. Very good. I know everybody are very clever. Yes. M O O T H. Smooth. You have to take the spelling and write here. Okay, children? Yes. Shall we go to the third one? Yes. Now see this water bottle, how it is. See this outside the water bottle there is full of bubbles, water bubbles, no? Then how it will be the water bottle? See the water bottle is containing water. How is the water now? Yes. When you keep the water bottle inside your fridge, how it will be? It will be very chill and outside the water bubbles will be there, no? Yes, the simultaneously the same thing. The water in this bottle is cold. Super. The water will be very chill, no? Yes, very good. Now see the spelling cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. Super. Now you have to take the spelling and write here. C-O-L-D. Cold and take and write here. Okay. Yes. Now see the next one. See here. Smoke is coming out. What is this? Fumes is coming out. No. Then how is the water? See this bottle is also containing some water. See vapors are coming outside. No. Then how it will be the water inside? It will be very hot. Yes, it is hot. Now the water in this bottle is hot, or you can write warm also. Warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. Or you can write H-O-T. Hot. Warm or hot you can write. Okay, children. Once again we can recap it. Yes. Sandpaper is rough. How is the sandpaper? Rough. Sandpaper is rough. Okay. The white paper is smooth. The water in this bottle is cold. The water in this bottle is warm or hot. Now we have given you the answers also. You can check it with that. Okay. Now see here. Yes. Now see the spellings here. How we wrote. Write neatly and correctly in your textbook also. Okay, children. Yes, good. I'll give you some time for you to write. Okay. Right. Sandpaper is rough. The white paper is smooth. The water in this bottle is cold. The water in this bottle is warm or hot. Okay, children. You can write it neatly. Okay. Shall we go for the next one? Okay. How many of them are saying yes? I could hear many of them has completed. They are saying yes. You are saying bingo. Good, good. Very good. Super. Now, next exercise is in page number 8. Okay. Now, see this 1.8 exercise. Use the words in the box to fill in the blanks. Using these words. In the last exercise also, they have given you like this help box. The same thing they have given you in this exercise of the help box. See here, many words are given. We can read it? Yes. What is this picture they have given you? It is a laddu. What is this? It is laddu. How is the taste of the laddu? It will be very bitter. No, it will be very tasty. Yes. How is the taste will be? Sweet. Very good. How is the laddu taste? It's sweet. Okay. Now the laddu is sweet. Where is the spelling here? Sweet. Whether this is sweet? The spelling? This one? Oh no. Yeah, correct. This one. Sweet. See? S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. Yes. W-E-E-T. Sweet. Okay. Yes. Now see this is, what is this fruit? What is this? Yes, this is lemon. Yeah, this is a, how it will be? How is the taste of the lemon? It will be very sweet. No, how it will be? Very sour. How many of them like lemon juice? I too like lemon juice. Yes. Now see here, where is the spelling? Sour. See here spelling S S-O-U-R. Sour. Very good. You can write lemon is sour. Lemon is sour. Very good. Now what is this vegetable? This is bitter gourd. How many of them like bitter gourd? Ah, it will be very bitter. Yes or no? Yes. Good. Now, see this bitter gourd is, how is the taste of the bitter gourd? It will be very bitter. Yes, bitter. Now you can write the spelling bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R. Bitter. Bitter gourd is bitter. Now see this is tasty and crispy chips. Now see this. Chips are, how is the chips? Already we have written all the three. So what is the remaining one? Salty. What is that? Salty. Chips are salty. Very good. Chips are salty. Very nice. You can write laddu is sweet. Lemon is sour. Bitter gourd is bitter. Chips are salty. Yeah. See, we have given you the answers. You can check with that. Yes. You have to write the spelling correctly and neatly. Okay. Sharp your pencils well and write neatly. After completing this, say high five to your parents. Okay. Yes, we have completed. Have you all completed? Yes, good. Shall we go for the next one? Good. Now see this. Use the words. Now see, this is exercise 1.9 and page number 9. Next page. Okay. Use the words in the box to fill in the blanks. Okay, children. Yes. So they have given you the help box. Okay. Now see this. What is this? Colorful? No. What is this? Crayons. Yeah, good. Now the crayons are. You have to write the color of the crayons. They have given you 4 colors. Okay. Yes. Now see, this is the crayons are. What is the first color? Yeah, green. Where it is the spelling green? Yes, this is green. Crayons are green. What is the next color? Yellow. Next is red. Next blue. So I have to write the colors here. Okay. The crayons are green, yellow, red, blue. You have to write the color spelling. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. You have to write the answer here. Okay. What is the next color? Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. They have given you 3 L. You can write only 2 L's there. Okay. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. What is the next color? Red. What is this? Where is the spelling red? R-E-D. Red. Okay. You have to write the spelling here in the third blank. What is the first last color? Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. The crayons are green, yellow, red and blue. Super. Red in color. The crayons are green, yellow, red, blue in color. You have to write the color's name. Okay. Have you all completed? Yes. Write neatly and correctly also. Okay. Yes. Next one. What is this? They have given you some shapes. Yes, good, good. See, we have 2 shapes here. Okay. What is this shape? Yeah, this is a square. Very good. Now, where is the spelling square? Here. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. This is a square. You can write the spelling here. Now, this is a, what is this shape here? Circle. Very good. Now, where is the spelling circle? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. This is a circle. You have to write here square. This is a square. This is a circle. Okay, good. Now, see this. What is this? We have 2 bags here. Of same bag only? No. Yes, but both of them are of same size. No. Both are of different size? No. How it is? One is big and another one is small. Okay. So they are saying you to write the size of the bags. Okay. The bags are of different sizes. See, both the bags are of same size? No, different sizes. One bag is, how is this one bag? Big. How is this one bag? Big. What is the spelling big? B-I-G, big. Good, very good. You have to write the spelling here, B-I-G, big. And the another bag is, other bag is small. Where is the spelling small? S-M-A-L-L, small. Good, very good. The bags are of different sizes. One bag is big and the other bag is small. Very good. So you have to write everything here. I'll give you some time and you can write it, okay? Right. First one, in the first thing you can write the color's name. By seeing the color's name you can write it the 4 colors, okay? All the 4 colors you can write it. Okay children, have you all written? Yes, second one is the size. Sorry, second one is the shape. Third one is the size. Have you all completed? Good. Now go for the next one. See the answers we have given you. You can check it. Good. Write with the help of your parents, okay? We have completed the next exercise also. Do a high five with the parents. Good. See, this is page number 10 in 1.10. Okay, next exercise. Fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks. The sound. See, what is this? A person is clapping. Here we have a bell. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Okay, children. When we clap, we will hear some sound. When we see this bell, when we ring this bell also, we will hear some sound. No? Yes, good. The sound made when you clap is. How is the sound when you when you clap? We can hear some sound. Okay. While the sound made by the bell is. See there, we have to compare with this two. When you clap and when you ring this bell, what will happen? When you shake this bell, what will happen? You will be getting one sound. Which sound will be high? You compare and say. You clap yourself. Yes. Now, when the school bell is ringing also, which one will be high? Yes. The sound made when you clap is low. Very good. While the sound made by the bell is high. Now see the spelling here. We have given you the spelling here. Clap is low. L-O-W, low. While the sound made by the bell is high. H-I-G-H, high. Good. You have to write it. Now write it. L-O-W, low. The sound made by the bell is high. H-I-G-H, high. Okay, children. Good. Very good. Okay. They have completed the till exercise 1.10. Okay, children. Remaining things we can see in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.